Another familiar tool that takes an awful lot of abuse is the ordinary screwdriver. Our modern-day primitive Pete often uses a screwdriver to pry open a stubborn window. Well, maybe he'll succeed in ruining the tool. This never would have happened if Pete had known more about the screwdriver. It's made up of three principal parts: handle, shank, and blade. Some screwdrivers have a full-length shank extending through the handle. But many household screwdrivers have a shorter shank, pinned to the handle in this fashion. This type will not stand the primitive Pete treatment. The best rule is never hammer on any screwdriver. Many of us try to use one screwdriver for every size of screw head. Always choose a screwdriver with a blade equal in width to the length of the slot. Another thing, never attempt to turn a tight screw if there is too much play between the blade and the slot. A bad fit can cause serious trouble. It can ruin the screw slot or the blade. This looks like the work of primitive Pete. Here are the front and side views of a properly ground screwdriver. Here's a little trick. If the faces of the blade are tapered in slightly, a short distance back of the tip, the screwdriver will stay down in the screw slot, even when a severe twisting force is exerted. Here is a special type screwdriver designed for heavy duty. The extra large square shank will stand a wrench if added leverage is needed. Don't be a primitive Pete and resort to the use of pliers. They're apt to chew up the shank.